Here's problem 4a. First, I'm going to rewrite it. So I'm turning it into a multiplication problem by taking the reciprocal of that second term. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and start factoring the numerator. X minus 2, can't do anything to further factor that. X squared plus 3x minus 10. All right, we're going to use the sum product rule to figure out what factors there. Well, what multiplies to negative 10 and has a sum or difference of 3? I think 5 and 2 multiply to negative 10. And if I make the 2 negative and the 5 positive, the difference there is a positive 3. So that's how we factor the numerator. The denominator, got a greatest common factor here. Greatest common factor here equals 7. So I can factor that out. When I'm left there, I've got x plus 2. And then the last thing here, this looks like a familiar pattern. That is a difference of squares. All right, remember the difference of squares pattern is when we have an a squared minus a b squared, we can factor it as follows: a minus b times a plus b. Here, our a value is x and our b value is 2, because 2 squared is 4. So what we can do is factor the a squared minus 4 into an x minus 2 and an x plus 2. So there's our factored form. And now let's go to our simplified form. I see that I've got x minus 2 in both the numerator and denominator. And that's actually all I can do. I've got an x plus 5 only in the numerator, x minus 2 only in the numerator, and then a couple of x plus 2's only in the denominator, and then I've got a 7. So my simplified form, it's going to look like this. I'll keep the numerator in factored form like that. And then in the denominator, I'm actually going to put x plus 2. Instead of writing both of them, I'll put a squared. That's how I'll write my simplified form.